Hello everyone, my name is Seung Hwan and I'm with Swift Engine. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to add an index and get an index from Elasticsearch with Swift Engine. In the previous video, we learned to delete an entry from the Elasticsearch and checked if an entry was successfully deleted. So far, if we were covering on how to handle entries by adding an entry, getting an entry, updating an entry, and deleting an entry, we will cover how to add an index instead and get it from the Elasticsearch. So an index is stored in a set of shards which are themselves Lucene indices. So what is an index exactly? We covered this, or I covered it in, I think, one of those introduction videos on Elasticsearch, but I will just explain it again. So you can think of an index as a collection of documents. And collection, in a sense, well, collection is a kind of like a table in MongoDB, and table is just what you may call it content in the database. So if you're curious about what index is in more fully like explanatory detail, search Elasticsearch index versus type specifically. It will help you get the concept very well. The website gives you a higher level of definition for this, and we really don't need that much of information for this tutorial today. So we already have an index at Elasticsearch, believe it or not. It is called tutorial. So when we added an entry with index called tutorial, the system automatically added an index called tutorial. So shall we check out that first? Get to the product. Open up our usual file, which is tutorial.ssp. Comment out all the unnecessary well, this is cool. Well, we don't have this because we deleted this entry before, right? So let's check that first again, just to safeguard that last tutorial was successful. So we don't have it. Then we just move on to the second ID, which is, I don't know, hello universe? Yes. So the index, we have it as a tutorial. So how in the world do you add an index? Actually, you can guess how to add an index. It's pretty simple. Let add index, just add index. Try add index, and we're going to add index named, how about Swift Engine, and check by printing out the response in JSON format. Add index dot dictionary object and check it out. Incorrect HTTP methods for URI and method post allowed delete put. Oh, so in our system right now, this one is not yet fixed, but when we fix it, we will cover this specific material, which is add index. So please bear with us, and instead I'm just going to get an index. How about that? Try get index. So if we try to find an index called tutorial, supposedly it should in theory get some stuff for us because we have an index called tutorial. So let's check it out. Yep, we have a bunch of tutorials. It just gets an index, I guess. So it was successful. Thank you very much for watching the video, and see you guys again.